We're here in a 2007 Lexus LS. We just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. Precision engineered here in Raleigh, North Carolina, our system is designed to be responsive and feel like it's factory CarPlay. You can see here, no matter whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, or any other music app, you'll have access to all of your songs and beautiful cover art right here on CarPlay. In your split screen view, you can see your navigation next to your music. Here, if we open navigation, you can see how much better this looks than factory maps. And Siri will read your directions.
Starting route to 1205 Corporation Parkway. Proceed to Business Way, then take the first right.
It really makes this LS feel like a brand new vehicle. Shifting to reverse, you can see that the factory backup camera will come up just like it did originally, and you maintain all original factory options. Coming back to park or drive will bring you right back into CarPlay like a brand new vehicle. Our engineers have designed this system to work flawlessly with your original microphone. A quick press of the voice speech button triggers Siri. Hey Siri, send a text to Eli.
What do you want to say to Eli?
I'm texting you from my new CarPlay system.
It says, I'm texting you from my new CarPlay system. Send it?
Send it.
Done.
Because we've used that factory microphone and we've tuned it very well, Siri has no problem hearing you, and phone calls and voice messages or text messages all sound terrific. You can see here we don't lose access to any factory features. All of your climate control features are still available here. With this system, we will have it in aux mode by default, but triggering the mode button will cycle through all of your audio modes, and you can use satellite radio or FM or XM radio and even have CarPlay showing. Our Hamilton upgrade kit will preserve your factory operating system. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds brings you back to the original factory system. Here you can access all of your original features, including your original navigation. You will not lose anything with the Hamilton system. Of course, even in CarPlay, your steering wheel controls will continue to work. We only use top-of-the-line chips in our systems, and all of our circuit boards are gold-plated. We've designed everything to meet or exceed original Lexus Toyota standards. This means just like your car has lasted so long and is still in great shape, the Hamilton system is going to do the same thing. Because of that, we can afford to back it with a 3-year warranty called the Hamilton Guarantee. It means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. We sell upgrade kits and conversion kits for almost every model of Lexus and Toyota. Check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com. You can also give us a call, and you can talk to me or one of my team members at 919-858-2890.